I believe it was Allen and Wright who came up with the A&W idea. It's been a part of my life for over 50 years. As a young child in Toronto, we used to go to Dufferin Street, and they would have service to our car with young girls on roller skates. And the order on a plate, one of those gigantic plates that you could fit other plates on. It's almost like a table thing. And it would fit so nicely on the windshield. It was special. I felt so grown up that first time I went from a teen to a mama burger. Old Bob almost shed a tear. All right. A&W, I love you. And I like the fact that it's hidden from the bottom, which is where the onions, the pickles, and the ketchup are. The cheese is everywhere. And that, to me, is the perfect burger. Round two, here we go. Friends, if you're a meat eater, and I know a lot of you are, find your way. Take the time to enjoy a good burger. Look at it outside. We got blizzard conditions. We just drove 40 miles because, hey, it's time to eat. Plus, there's nowhere else to go. So you can't talk about A&W without talking about root beer. They're synonymous with each other. It's just a special kind of treat that you only get every once in a while. I'm not a big root beer guy. I mean, if I had my choice between the big three, even the Uncolas, I might choose something else besides this. But with the A&W burger, with the fries, root beer, each and every time. Oh yeah.